Okay, lesson 3.7, page 181. This is the practice and homework video, page 181. Okay, so we're getting pretty good at this by now. They already did A for us, so we're going to write the ordered pair, give approximate coordinates when necessary. So in other words, it might not be right on a line. So here's B down here, -1 down, so that's like 2.5. 2.5 or -2.5, they're the same thing. Okay, C, +2 coming over to there, so it's 2 down 1.5 or -1.5. That's right there. And D, it's right here. So backwards -1.5. See, it's between 1 and 2. It's hard to see. And you don't go up or down, so it's 0. All right, so let's just graph. Well, a lot of halves in there. Let's do 6, 8. Let's do this side over here. 6, 7, 8, 6, 8, 10, 12, all the evens. So H is 0, 2.5. So I don't go left or right. I just go straight to 2.5, label it H. K is 1, and then up 2. M is 1, -0.5, 1, and then down a half. And I label it M. P is 1.25. So that's somewhere like right in here. Not 1.5 and then 0. So it's somewhere right there because that 0 tells me that it's on the axis. Okay, that's just some practice at those. I like these here. Right, what is the ordered pair for City Hall? So come over here to City Hall. I go left 1, which is -1, and I go up 1/2. So that's a positive. The post office is located at -1/2. That's backwards. And up 2, because it's +2. Graph and label a point on the map to represent the post office. So backward or left 1/2, up 2. I'm guessing we're going to put on post office. Post office. So we want to use our directions here. Directional words. Describe how to graph the ordered pair. So I go -1, I go left 1 unit, and then I have up 4.5 units. Left and up. Backside. Page 182. An artist used a coordinate plane to create a design. As part of the design, the artist wants to graph the points -6.52. How should the artist graph this point? So -6.5 and 2. So he goes right 6.5. I'm sorry, left 6.5, up 2. That's it. What are the coordinates of the campground? 1, I go left 1, so that's -1, and then I'm going down 1.5, so 1.5, -1.5. Left and down, negative, okay? So these you need to know how to do. Number 3, let's keep going here. 4 students volunteered at the hospital. Casey volunteers 20.7. Danielle volunteers 20 3/4. 18 9/10 hours for Javier. And 20 and 18 25ths for Forrest. Who volunteered the greatest number? In order to do this, we need our calculator. So we already have 20.7. 20.34, when I divide 3 divided by 4, I get 20.75. This is 9/10, so that's 18.9. Now 18 divided by 25, this becomes 20.72. So we want the greatest number. So it has to be one of the 20s. So this guy's out. 20.7 would be 20.70. This is greater than that, so he's out. 7.2 is less than 7.5. So here's your greatest. So 20 3/4 was Danielle. Okay. Next, directions for making a quilt say to cut 15 squares with sides 3.625 inches long. What is the side length written as a fraction? So the 3 is going to stay the same. It's this 625. What place is that 5 in? You should be saying to yourself or writing it down, thousandths. So it's 3 and 625 over 1,000. And in case you forget, remember you could reduce that. 625 over 1,000. Simplify, enter. Whoa, simplify again. Whoa, simplify again. 5/8. So that could be written as 3 5/8. Okay. Cam has a piece of plywood that is 6 7/8 feet wide. He's going to cut shelves that are each 1 1/6 wide. What is a good estimate for the number of shelves Cam can make? So essentially, you have 6 7/8 divided by 1 1/6. Okay, well, this is closer to 7. So we're going to say 7. This is almost 7 divided by, and this is close to 1. So an estimate would be 7 shelves. We rounded this to 1 and this to 7 because it's more than half. All right. Zach has 3/4 hours to play video games. It takes him 1/12 hour to set up the system. Each round of his favorite game takes 1/6 of an hour. How many rounds can he play? He has 3/4 of an hour. It takes him 1/12. So we want 1/12 of 3/4 first. So he used up he used up 1/16 of his time. Actually, when it says he used up an hour of his time, it takes him. We have to do some subtraction. 3/4 minus 1/12. If you recall from 5th grade, 9/12 minus 1/12 is equal to 8/12. Now I can do 8/12 divided by 1/6. That's right here. So 8/12, keep, change, flip. Cross cancel, cross cancel. 6 and 12. This is nice here because this reduces with that. I end up with 4 rounds. Think that through. Think that through.